Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see a Leetcode question number 844. Backspace String Compare. Given two strings S and T, return true if they are equal when both are typed into empty text editor. Has means a backspace character. Note that after backspacing an empty text, the text will continue empty. Okay, so just see this example, it will be more clear. See here, for this string, if I take and just see here, this is my text editor. Let us take this is my text editor. I'm typing A first. Okay, I type. Then I'm typing B. Okay, I type. Now has means what? Has means backspace. Now when I hit the backspace button, this B will be deleted, right? This B will be deleted. Okay. Now I have typed the C. So C is typed. Okay. So this is what the first text editor. Now let us take another text editor and I'm typing A. Okay, I typed A first. Then D. Okay, I typed D. Now I am typing what? I am pressing the backspace. So this D will be deleted. Now I am typing C. So C. Now AC and AC are equal, right? Right? So you want to return what? True. Clear? Now again, take this example. AP has. It means first of all in the text editor I will type A, then I will type B, then one backspace. If I backspace one time, B will be deleted. If I do another backspace, this A will be deleted, right? Right? Okay. Now I am taking another text editor. Now C. C is typed. Then has means backspace. So C is deleted. Now D is typed and backspace. So D is deleted. So what is in the two text editor? It is empty. So it is true because they two are same, right? Right. So this is what the example states. Now, how to approach this problem? Okay, if we are going this side, we are going A B. That's it, like that. If a backspace is pressed, then we are going to the previous element. We are going to the previous element. For example, see this example. See this example. Okay, we are first typing what A, then B, then we are typing backspace. We are pressing backspace so that this B is deleted, right? So we are going this way. Then when we are deleting, we come this way. So that I can say I want to use stack data structure because what is that element that is lastly inserted is popped out first, right? So that I am using the stack data structure. Okay, how to use this stack data structure? Let us see this. See here. Let me take a stack. Okay, this is stack. Now let us take any example. Okay, let me take this example. This example. Okay. Now just assume this example. First of all, A is typed. Okay, A. Okay, A. Now B. B. Now what is the character next? Character next is has. If has present, we want to pop this B. We want to pop this B because if has is a backspace. If I press backspace, the last element should be deleted, right? The last element is stacked top. So this is popped out. Yes, then C. C is directly inserted. That's all. So what is the answer? It is AC. Right? Right? Again, for this. First of all, it is A, then D, then it is backspace. So you want to pop this out. Yes, we want to pop this out. Then C. Now what is the answer here? A and C. So both are equal. So you written what? True. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. So this is the first method. Fine. Now let us see the second method. The second method is more important because in the second method we use a string mutable concept. It means just see here languages like C, C++, Java, they they support the string mutable concept. Okay, string mutation. That means string can be changed. String can be changed. Okay, but the languages in Python, like Python, strings are immutable. Immutable. Okay. Okay. What is that approach? We cannot do this approach in Python. Okay. We can do this approach only in this C, C++, and Java. Okay. Okay. What is the approach? See here. A, B, as, and C. Let me take this as an example. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now let me take two variables. F is equal to 0 and I is equal to 0. Let me take. So this is what I, and then down what F. So this is F. Now just observe carefully whether these two are same, whether I and f minus 1 are same. No, f minus 1 is not exist. So just move 2 pointers here, f and I. Okay, this is the first step. Come up with me. This approach is too tough to understand, but once if you understand, it is more efficient. Okay, this is a two-pointer approach. I will tell you why we use this two-pointer approach instead of stack approach. I will tell you. Okay, now check whether I is a hash. No, it is not hash. Okay, just update both. Now check whether I is hash. Yes, I is hash, right? I is hash. It means we want to delete the previous character. This previous character. Whether we want to delete the previous character, or we may modify this B to C, right? If we delete this B, C will be there. Instead of deleting, we can take the C and place here, right? But how can I place it? If I move this F pointer here, listen carefully. If I move F pointer here and I pointer here, now we can replace this C here. Can you understand? So what I'm trying to say is, if let me take S. Okay, S of I is equal to hash. Let me take, if it is hash, okay, then I want to do what? F minus minus. Why? Because we want to modify the previous element with the next element to it, right? Else, if it is not a case, then what should we do? We should do what? I want to take this element and place here. So I want to take S of F is equal to S of I, so that I will modify the what? That backspaced character, right? Then F plus plus. Can you understand? If you don't understand, just we can see the code and then you will understand. Okay. Let me tell about the time constant space complexity for this approach and the previous approach. For this approach, the time complexity is what? O of n. Okay, because we are traversing only one time this array. And what is space complexity? It is O of 1, because we didn't use any auxiliary space. Okay, for the previous approach, what is the time complexity? The time complexity is what? O of n. Okay. And what is space complexity? It is O of n, because we are using the auxiliary stack space and we are traversing one time the array and also the stack. Okay. So that it is O of n. Fine. Let us see the code. Just see here. First, we can see the stack code. Okay. Just see here. Stack 1 is equal to length. Sorry. Stack 1 is equal to empty list. Stack 2 is equal to empty list. For I in S. Okay. If I is not equal to hash, if it is not equal to hash, then I want to pin to the stack. If it is equal to hash, we want to check whether the stack is not empty. If the stack is empty, we don't want to pop it up, right? Because when we are pressing the backspace in an empty text editor, it remains same. That's why we want to check whether there is an element in stack. If there is element, then pop it up. Okay. Same thing done for T. Now check whether two stacks length are same. If it is not so, just return false. Okay. For I in range of len of stack 1, then if stack 1 of I is not equal to stack 2 of I, it means we are checking one by one elements in the stack. If it is not same, then return false. If it is same, if the element is same in every position, then return true. Got it? Right? Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now let us see the C++ code, that two pointers coding. Okay, just see here. Int s length is equal to 0 and I. Okay, now for I is equal to 0 and I is less than s length dot I plus plus. Sorry, colon semicolon I plus plus. Now we are just traversing to the entire string. Now s of I is equal to hash. If s of I is equal to hash, then s length minus is equal to min of s length comma 1. Why I am putting min of s length comma 1? Why I am putting? I just want to minus 1. Why I am putting like s length comma 1? If s length is 0, if it is empty text editor, okay, I just come up with the character hash. Okay, just listen. There is a string and only one character, and one character is hash. Then already there is a empty editor. Then how can we go beyond that, right? So that I want to get the minimum among the min length and 1. What's the min length? At that point, it is 0. It is 0. So what is a s length? It is 0. So minimum of 0 and 1, it is 0. That's why we are using what? Minimum of s length comma 1. Okay. Now else s of s length is equal to s of I. Same thing I have done there. Okay. Then s length plus plus. Okay. Now same thing for t. Fine. Now after that I'm checking whether the both length are not same. If it is so, then return false. Else we want to check whether that both are of same. Okay. See here, I'm just traversing to the s length. Then s of I is not equal to has, and t of I is not equal to has. They both should not be equal to has, and also s of I is not equal to t of I. If it is so, then return false. Okay. See here, let me take this example. See here, you'll be more clear. F stands where? F is standing at this point at last. At last. What is the F value? F value is 2 at last. Okay. So that we will take two strings. What are the two strings? It is A and C. That's why I am using what? S length and T length to represent what is the length of the S and what is the length of the T after we are doing all the stuff. Okay. And so return false. Now return true if it is executed successfully. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.